In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment contacts in Sendpulse. If you've ever wanted to send more precise, relevant emails, segmentation is your best friend. It lets you group subscribers based on shared characteristics or behaviors so your messages feel personal and timely. Start by heading to the Mailing Lists tab in your Sendpulse account. This is where all your contact lists live. Choose the mailing list that actually contains the subscribers you want to work with. Segmentation only pulls from the list you select, so picking the right one is important. Next, open the Segments tab. Here, you'll see any segments that already exist for this list, along with an option to create new ones. It's a great place to review what you've set up before and avoid duplicating work. When you're ready to build a new segment, click Add Segment. A configuration window will appear, and this is where you'll set your segmentation rules. Begin by choosing the main criterion you want to filter by. You can segment by email domain, subscription status, open or click behavior, custom variables you've added to the list, or tags you've applied to contacts. Think about your goal. Email domain is helpful for tailoring deliverability or tone. Status helps you isolate active subscribers. Behavior lets you target engaged readers, and variables or tags are perfect for any data you've collected, like location, plan type, or interests. After you pick a criterion, choose the filter condition. Common options include contains, equals, greater than, and not equal. Use equals when the value must match exactly, contains when you're looking for a partial match, greater than for numeric or date comparisons, and not equal to exclude something specific. Clear conditions make your segment accurate and easy to maintain. Now enter the value for your rule. For example, if you're filtering by email domain and you want Gmail users, you might set email domain equals and then enter gmail.com. If you're using a variable or tag, make sure that data actually exists in your list. Otherwise, your segment might return fewer contacts than expected. When everything looks right, click Apply and give your segment a descriptive name. This saves it and immediately shows the contacts from your selected list that match the rules. Use a name that explains the logic, like Gmail subscribers, active, or clicked last campaign, so it's easy to find later. You can revisit the Segments tab anytime to edit or reuse it in your campaigns and automations. That's it. You've segmented your contacts in Sendpulse and set yourself up for more relevant, effective messaging.